Hello everybody, happy Mask Monday. Miss Jackie Russell here. I've got to put my mask on. I want to wish you all a happy Mask Monday. How are you all doing today? I am going to be using the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Rose Gold Eye Mask. And I'm going to put those on right quick. They come on this little piece of, I guess, plastic to kind of hold them down. They're in between there to hold the moisture in. Very nice little eye mask. I enjoy them. I had ordered me several little packets. I think FabFitFun must have had a deal, and that was a while back. But I'm having time to use them up. I never know if I put them on right, but anyways, how is y'all's Monday going today? So far, so good here. I've got a sheet mask here, ID.AZ, and this was a sheet mask sent to me by Arleen of Unboxing with Arleen. She sent this to me at Christmas time in a Christmas card. She actually sent me a couple, and I haven't got to this one yet. So we're going to do it today. It's the Water Fit Mask by Dermastic. And I don't know what IDAZ stands for, but it says hydrating up at the top. And let's get this mask on and get our Mask Monday going. But yeah, did everybody have a lovely Mother's Day? I had a wonderful Mother's Day. My son, Seth, took me out to the Outback, and I had filet mignon and lobster tail, and it was delicious, and I really enjoyed it. I really thanked him for treating me to such a nice lunch. It was very good. It was mid-afternoon by the time we got in. They were busy. It was very delicious. Then I had a chance to go over to my mom's and visit her and take her gift, and I had brought some little candies for her and a pair of socks, things that she would like, and I brought her a sponge gel, guys. She just thought that was the cat's meow. I was telling her how it, moistens the body and nourishes it with the essential oils and soaps that's in it and exfoliates, and she goes, "Ooh, I can use this." And then I had also brought her an Anastasia, a Beverly Hills lipstick. And it was like a nude color, and she just put that on right away, and she goes, "Oh, I've been thinking I need some lipstick." So it was just wonderful to see that she was happy with the gifts that I brought her, and the candies were good, of course, and there were some teas in there. She likes to drink tea, so I brought her some teas too. So that was a good visit. Now, I've got some friend mail here, and I want to go through that right quick. I got some friend mail from one of our supporters, Cindy N. And she put on here, "God bless our post workers," and that's true. God bless them all. And I think recently she might have won one of my giveaways, and maybe this is a thank you card. It's got a shoe. Isn't that a cute card? I love that. She says, "Hi Jackie, I'm so sorry this is so late. Just wanted to say thank you again for the giveaway winnings. I loved everything. Hugs and blessings." Aw, wasn't that sweet to send me that? That was so sweet, Cindy. Thank you very much. And no worries. I'm glad you enjoyed everything. And I love this card. This is almost like a piece of art for me. Yeah, that's like styling now. I like that. That's cute. Thank you so much, Cindy. If y'all don't know Cindy, she is a supporter, and she supports many of our channels. She doesn't have a channel, but she does watch our videos and supports us, and it's just wonderful, and we really appreciate you, Cindy. I appreciate you, and I know all the other ones that you support appreciate you too. Thank you so much. And then I got a surprise in the mail from Arleen, and she sent me this box, and I was like, well, I wasn't expecting anything from Arleen. So this is Arleen from Unboxing with Arleen. I emailed her and I told her that I got a package from her because I really wasn't expecting it, and it popped in the mail on Friday. So we're going to open it up. And there's a card in here so we can see what it is, Miss Jackie. And she's got the secret of life well lived is not counting the years, but in making the years count. And then she says, "Hi Jackie, here's to another year of a life well lived. Happy belated birthday, Arleen." Well, thank you, Arleen. She sent me a birthday gift and card. And then she says, "Thanks so much for inviting me to collaborations. I appreciate you and hope you enjoy your birthday, Arleen." And that was so sweet. Thank you, Arleen. I love that. That's such a nice card, and I love the sentiment. Yeah, the secret of a life is well lived. And that's exactly right. We have to live in the now. We have to live. And I appreciate that card. And let's take a look and see what she sent me. Well, looky here. This is Bath and Body Works, guys. Crisp morning air and fresh rainfall. One of them's a hand soap and one's a foaming hand soap. Wow. And look in the back side of this. Looks like there might be some other goodies in here. It says Bath and Body Works. Thank you, Arleen. Oh my goodness. You did not have to send me a gift. This is so sweet of you to do. I enjoy getting them, but I just wasn't expecting this. It was such a nice surprise. If y'all don't know Arleen, y'all need to pop over to her channel and check her out. She does Mass Mondays, and she does Mass Mondays with her sister Melissa a lot of times, and Melissa has a channel too. She does Mass Mondays, and she does unboxing. She does beauty unboxings. I know she does like Glossy and BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I think she does Fantastic. I can't remember the exact names of all of them, but she's done some decor. She has done some fashion or some hauls. I don't know if she's got a subscription to any of those fashion styles or not, but I know I've seen her purchase some, clothing and try them on and show us. And she's very knowledgeable and in-depth on her reviews. Like when she opens up a box, she gives you lots of detail. And she's very professional at it. And she's just so sweet. And I hope y'all go over there and check her channel out. But let's look in here and see what we got. We have this gentle and clean foaming hand soap made without sulfates, parabens, or dyes. Oh, that's going to be wonderful. And, I can't twist the lid off very well. Probably mess up the pump. But fresh rainfall, that's going to be so nice. Thank you, thank you. And then we have crisp morning air gentle hand soap with essential oils. Oh, nice. I'm going to see if I can get this lid off. Well, I got some on my nose. Oh, that smells good. Thank you. I will enjoy using those. Those will help keep my hands all nice and soft and moisturized. And it looks like, here, she sent me more masks. Oh my goodness, she didn't. She sent me Tony Moly mask. Arleen, thank you. Oh my goodness, I've been telling her I need to try some Tony Moly, and here she sent me a whole bunch of them to try. We have I'm Rice Mask Sheet by Tony Moly. We've got I'm Lemon Mask Sheet. We got I'm Pomegranate Mask Sheet. I'm Aloe Mask Sheet. We got I'm Tea Tree Mask Suite. And I'm Red Wine Mask Sheet. Wow. Thank you so much, Arleen. Wow. I can't believe you sent me these Tony Moly masks. But I'm so glad you did, because I did want to try them out. I did. And each one of them is for a different thing. That's for pore care, skin soothing, moisturizing, elasticity, brightening, and clear skin. So I am definitely going to enjoy them. Thank you, Arleen. I thank you for my happy belated birthday gift. I'll take a gift anytime. That is just wonderful. You are so sweet to send that out to me. And then I'm enjoying this one that you gave me too. And this was from Christmas. And it's just ironic that I'm using one of your masks today, and then you sent me some more because I just ran out of the ones you sent me. Mary Catherine Loves Cats had invited me and Arleen to Mass Mondays about the same time. And Arleen was able to jump on board right away, but I had to fit it into my schedule. And I'm glad that I was able to finally do it, but I really wasn't able to do it till after the first of the year. Since then, Arleen's been a supporter of the Mass Monday. We've supported each other. And of course, Mary Catherine supports us both, and we support her, and we love Mary Catherine. So if you don't know Mary Catherine loves cats, you need to go over to her channel as well. She has a wonderful channel. She does a lot of unboxings, and she is also starting to do what I'd call, where she's starting to get reviews of products, like where a manufacturer will send her product for review. So she is starting to get not only her unboxings and her beauties, but some of the extras that come along with being a YouTube influencer, and she's doing quite well, and she's just a wonderful lady. And back to Arleen. Arleen hit her 300, and she is having a 300 subscriber giveaway, and I don't know how long that's open, but you may want to pop over there and subscribe and be a part of her family. She's just a great lady, and you would love her too. She's very sweet, and like I said, she also does some Dollar Tree hauls and some Dollar Tree collaboration with her sister. And of course, we've done collaborations with the All Truth Crazy Train, and now we know that the All Truth's been kind of like All Lies, and they're going down the tubes, and we don't even know if we're going to get our money back. A lot of us had put in annual memberships to their subscription, and we're waiting to hear back if we're going to, get a refund. I did hear that one of the owners put out a message that they were going to try to refund as many people as possible, but I don't know if that'll happen or not. We're going to have to figure out some other type of train to do in our collaboration, so you ladies be thinking about that, and I'll be getting back with each of you on that. I did want to tell y'all one thing. I've been doing my little trying to eat cleaner, and I've been doing real good. My 10 pounds has stayed off. Even through Mother's Day, I was so happy. But I did eat. Now, I want y'all to know I indulged. I had me a top shelf Rita, which is just like a margarita with Patron. I had one of those, and I had dessert. I had the Down Under chocolate brownie thing from the Outback. So I indulged, and my metabolism is burning fast, so it just churned it all up, and I didn't gain anything, so yay! And that's the thing about a fast metabolism with the Haylie PomRoy. If you can get your metabolism working for you, you can eat things like that on occasion, and it doesn't bother your system, and your system will actually turbo it up. But I had also gotten an email from her this morning. I'm going to stay on her program, but I've been off of it for about maybe 2 weeks, just kind of maintaining. And that's the name of the game. You want to lose and then maintain. But she sent out this email today, and it said, are you eating any of these 42 power foods? And I don't know if y'all know much about Haylie, but she is a great nutritionist, and she's very knowledgeable. She sent this email, and it says, the truth is that some people barely notice menopause before their hormonal transition happens smoothly. If that's not how it's going for you, it may be because your micronutrients in the foods you are eating aren't getting synthesized properly into the chemical hormones you need to keep your weight in check. This can cause aggressive accumulation of soft, fluffy, lumpy white fat, which takes on some of the characteristics of hormones and can start releasing its own hormone, acting like an estrogen gland and causing even further hormonal imbalance. But with the right food plan and with the targeted supplements, you can create harmony in your hormones to resculpt your body. You can even completely change the shape of your body in just a few weeks. And that's true. Her programs are really good for that. But she gives a list of these foods, and most of these are in her Burn book. She's got several different books. But here are some of the foods that you can eat for your hormones if you're in that hormonal stage or the perimenopause stage, whatever. Artichoke hearts, asparagus, avocado, beets, cabbage, cauliflower, celery, coconut milk, cucumbers, eggs, fennel, garlic, grapefruit, green beans, kale, lean meat, leeks and onions, lemons, limes, mangoes, mushrooms of all types, nectarines, olive oil, extra virgin olives, oranges, peaches, pine nuts, plums, pomegranate seeds, romaine lettuce, salmon, seaweed, shrimp, spaghetti squash, spinach, sunflower seeds, tuna, walnuts, watercress, yellow squash, and zucchini. So those are all some power foods you can eat. And guys, I will tell y'all, I eat olives almost every day when I'm on her cleansing plan and are just eating clean. That's one of my go-to snacks because you can have those anytime. And I eat a lot of nuts, and I don't know that I eat the right nuts though according to this list. I like pecans and almonds, and those weren't listed, so I may have to shift some of that. But I do eat the celery and the avocados. I have coconut milk, and I use coconut oil when I'm cooking. But these are just some of the things, and I use lemons and limes. Let's go to lemons and limes. Did you know that you can alkaline your body with lemons and lime water? So just either buy you a bottle of the lemon juice and lime juice and put that in your water every day, or buy you some limes and lemons. Put fresh lemon in your water. But that will help your body. It will also help detox your liver every day and keep it cleansed and keep it functioning properly. So that's another way you can use limes and lemons in your program or just in your daily life without really changing too much. And I put that in my water every day, and I do both. I do fresh lemon and limes, and then I buy the juice too, because sometimes I like it to be almost like lemonade when I'm drinking it. But guys, I think I have had my mask on for plenty of time now. I'm going to peel this off. I would like to thank Cindy again for sending the thank you, and I appreciate you and thank you for supporting my channel. And I want to thank Arleen for sending me such a sweet little birthday present. That was just so sweet. And again, I'm so excited to use the Tony Moly mask. I've heard y'all talk about them, and now I get an opportunity to try them thanks to you. And this mask is really hydrating, Arleen. Very good. I like it. Very nice. Thank you so much. Oh, this is just wonderful. I'm going to have to put some on my arms. Do y'all ever do that? Rub that on your arms? I just figure I might as well get moisture everywhere I can. And I'm going to have me a little drink of coffee. I got my Dog Mom cup here. Alright guys, well that's my Mask Monday for today. That's all I have today, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.